Today we have a delicious Caribbean curry grilled lobster recipe, and we're gonna go ahead and start by making an incision on the top of the lobster's head like this. This is gonna allow it to sink when we put the lobsters in the pot to boil. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly rinse them off, and we're gonna go ahead and get them ready to put them in the pot of boiling water. We're gonna do this process for 2 minutes. While we wait for this to boil, if you like this video, please remember to hit the thumbs up. After 2 minutes, we're gonna wanna go ahead and remove them, and we're gonna wanna throw them on ice water. So you're gonna go ahead and prepare a basin with some ice, some water, and that's gonna allow it to stop the cooking process. Once you take it out, we're gonna put it in the ice water. So the next steps after this, you're gonna wanna get a cutting board, some towels, it does get a little bit messy, and a sharp knife. Once we've gone ahead and let them settle for a few minutes to cool down, we're gonna go ahead and cut the lobsters down the middle. So essentially we're gonna end up with 2 half lobsters. Once we go ahead and cut them in half, we're going to go ahead and do the cleaning process. So this is where we're going to take out all the stuff we don't want to eat out of the lobster and run it under some water to clean them out. We're going to do that to all the lobsters. Here's the butter. We're going to mix butter, garlic, ginger, spices, cilantro, chives, lime juice, lime zest, and a pinch of salt. We're going to mix that up till the butter becomes this silky smooth texture, and we're gonna rub it down all the lobsters. Once all the lobsters are all rubbed down, then we're gonna go ahead and put it on our grill. Our grill is set to 425 degrees, and we're gonna put it with the meat side down for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and open it up, and we're gonna flip all the lobsters over. So this time they're gonna be shell side down. Then we're gonna get the remaining butter, we're gonna butter up all the lobsters, and then we're gonna close the lid and cook them for another 8 to 10 minutes. Once the timer has gone off, we're ready to eat the lobster.